Welcome to Turbo Rider. The legendary Suzuki DR-Z 400 is back for 2025 with a complete redesign now known as the DR-Z 4S. Suzuki has upgraded everything, from engine and suspension to electronics and style, making this bike a serious dual sport performer ready for both streets and dirt trails. Engine and performance. At its heart lies a 398 cubic centimeters single-cylinder, liquid-cooled, DOHC engine that delivers around 38 horsepower and 37 Newton-meters of torque. Suzuki has finally replaced the old carburetor with a fuel injection system and ride-by-wire throttle, ensuring smoother power delivery and better fuel efficiency. The new slipper clutch and 5-speed transmission make gear shifts light and precise, whether you're cruising or climbing rocky paths. Suspension and handling. The DR-Z 4S features a strong twin-spar steel frame with a light aluminum subframe. Up front, it has inverted KYB forks with 11 inches of travel, while the rear gets an adjustable monoshock setup. This means you get incredible stability and control on any terrain. Paired with 21-inch front and 18-inch rear wheels, the DR-Z 400 is built for serious adventure. Brakes and electronics. Suzuki has modernized the braking system with disc brakes on both ends and switchable ABS. You also get traction control with multiple modes, including a gravel mode for off-road riders. There are 3 ride modes, A, B, and C, to match your riding style, plus a fully LED lighting setup and a new digital LCD display that keeps everything sharp and modern. Dimensions and comfort. The bike weighs around 151 kilograms and has a seat height of 935 millimeters, giving it a tall stance ideal for trail riders. With an 8.7-liter fuel tank and 300 millimeters ground clearance, it's ready to go the distance from city roads to mountain trails. Conclusion. The 2025 Suzuki DR-Z 400, DR-Z 4S, is the perfect balance between performance, durability, and technology. Whether you're hitting the dirt or the highway, this machine promises reliability and thrill like never before. Suzuki has truly brought a classic into the modern age, and it's ready to dominate both worlds. Like, share, and subscribe to Turbo Rider.